Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to show you how to make an electrical connection for your ceiling fan. For this job we're going to be using some wire nuts and also some electrical tape. So here we have our three basic wires for a house electrical system, which is a 12-2 wire. You have your neutral, your ground, and your hot. And you're going to hook these up to the ceiling fan by taking your neutral and wire nutting them together. Taking your ground wire and wire nutting those together. Most electrical ground wires are marked with a green coating, and then in your 12-2 wire it's just a solid copper. Now if you're running on a 12-3 wire, you're going to take your blue and hook it up to your red wire or your black wire, depending on how you wired your switch. Then you'll hook your black up to the opposite one. Since we're running this all on one, you're going to take your blue, your black, and hook it to the black coming in from the feed. Now that we have all our wire nuts on, we're going to take our electrical tape and rip about a 3-inch piece and tape every wire. What this does is it keeps anything from arcing across the wires and also keeps your wire nuts nice and tight on there. That way with the vibration of the fan, they aren't going to work their way loose and you'll get an arc across onto the metal of your fan. And there you have it. That's how you can make an electrical connection for your ceiling fan. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors. Thanks for watching and good luck with this project.